Hi! In this video, I will use the Tulip Stitch and the Pistil Stitch along with the garnishing of beads for a gorgeous snowflake. Let's begin with the Tulip Stitch. Make an inverted lazy daisy stitch at the top of the snowflake's arm. Then, come out from a side, pass the needle under the tail of the stitch, and go to the other side. That's a tulip stitch. Continue to make one more and connect it to the center with a long straight stitch. My thread got a little twisted there. So I connect it to the center using a short straight stitch. And I work all my long arms this way. Now let's work the pistil stitch. The pistil stitch will fill the gaps between the two long arms, and I work with all the 6 strands of a darker shade. I come out from the center and wrap the thread around as I would for the French knots, but I take the needle away at a distance to secure the knot. Now, this is the fun part. To work the little dots on top of the long arms, I use beads. I have some light blue colored beads, and I try to secure them using just 2 or 3 strands of my cotton embroidery floss. I also add a bead to the center, and that's it. My snowflake with beads is ready.